Have you ever felt like it's too late to start? That everyone else began their financial journey years ago, and now you're stuck trying to catch up? If you're over 40 and have never invested a single dollar, this video is your turning point. Here, we won't sell you unrealistic dreams or risky promises. Instead, we'll show you exactly how to start investing with just $500, following a safe medium-term plan that respects your conservative profile, without complicated jargon and with practical steps you can apply today. Many professionals in their 40s or 50s are facing career transitions, thinking about retirement, or simply feeling the weight of not having started earlier. And the truth is, you're not alone. Thousands of people are taking back control of their financial lives right now. And you can too. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to turn fear into strategy and inaction into a secure, consistent investment plan. Stay with me until the end, because what you're about to learn could change your financial future forever. Let's begin by talking about the real villain: fear. Fear of losing money, of not knowing enough, of failing. If you've ever caught yourself thinking, "I'm not good with numbers," or "investing is just for the rich," understand this: those are myths. The financial market today is more accessible than ever before. Technology has leveled the playing field, and with $500, you can already open the doors to a whole new world. The first step is to break mental barriers that were never yours to begin with. Many of us were taught to save, not invest. But in a world where inflation eats away at your money over time, saving without investing means losing purchasing power every year. That's why understanding the difference between saving and investing is essential. Saving is storing, investing is growing. When we move from fear to understanding, we allow our money to work for us instead of us always working for money. And you don't need to be an expert to start. All you need is guidance and a strategy aligned with your goals. Let's talk about the conservative investor profile. This means you prioritize security, prefer to avoid risks, and value stability more than high returns. And that's not a problem. In fact, it's a strength. With just $500, you can start with low-risk assets such as government bonds, conservative ETFs, or fixed-income portfolios. The goal is not to get rich overnight, but to build a solid foundation that grows consistently. Think of it as planting a tree. Slow, but firm. We'll use a diversified portfolio model here. Let's say you allocate $300 to a fixed-income investment with predictable returns, $100 into a conservative ETF that tracks market performance with lower volatility, and $100 into a high-interest savings account as your liquidity reserve. This way, you protect your capital, generate income, and maintain access to part of your money when needed. And the best part? You don't need to manage this every day. With just 1 or 2 hours per month, you'll be in full control. But what if I make a mistake? That fear is valid. And that's why we'll walk you through how to analyze simple indicators, choose reliable platforms, and automate part of your investments. We'll also show dashboards that help you visualize your progress. Seeing your money working for you is not only motivating, it gives you peace of mind. You'll no longer feel like time is slipping away without results. Another important point: you're not starting from scratch. You bring life experience, discipline, and emotional maturity, which are critical elements in investing. Unlike younger investors who often chase fast gains, you can focus on consistency, and that makes all the difference in the long run. The road ahead is yours, and every step you take today builds your financial autonomy for tomorrow. Let's look at a real-life example. Carla, 49, lost her job and decided to rethink her entire financial life. With $500 in guidance focused on her profile, she started investing gradually. In 18 months, she not only regained confidence, but also saw her portfolio grow more than savings would have yielded in 5 years. The key? Discipline and a clear plan. You don't need a lot of money to start. You need the right mindset. And remember, $500 is not the limit. It's the beginning. Once you see how your money can grow safely, your motivation increases and new contributions become natural. With monthly additions of $100 or $200, you'll accelerate your journey, always in line with your financial reality and long-term goals. The goal is not to compare yourself to others, but to improve from where you are. Let's quickly summarize everything you've learned. Investing after 40 is not only possible, it's smart. With $500 and the right strategy, you can overcome fear, protect your capital, and create a future of stability and independence. Your age is not a barrier, it's an asset. You have clarity, experience, and motivation to make conscious choices. And this video is just your first step. If this content helped you see the future with new eyes, subscribe to the channel and activate notifications. In the next video, we'll show you how to build a personal investment plan in 3 steps, even if you have no experience. Leave a comment below with your biggest fear about investing. I'll be here to answer and help, because the time to take control is not tomorrow, it's now.